commanding the highways with a stance that turned every mile into a statement. The 1978 Kenworth stood as an icon of America's Cabover glory des machine that blended rugged engineering with unmistakable style. Born in an era when Cabover engine designs ruled for their ability to maximize trailer length within strict federal regulations, the K100 carried the prestige of Kenworth's craftsmanship into a form that was both practical and bold. The 1978 model year arrived in the midst of the K100's celebrated production run, which began in the early 90s and evolved steadily through the decades. By this time, the truck had received refinements in aerodynamics, cab comfort, and drivetrain reliability. The flat-faced design, accented with dual-round headlights and a commanding grille, became a familiar sight on interstates and in truck stops from coast to coast. For drivers, the K100's cab provided improved insulation, better sleeping quarters in the Aerodyne Sleeper variant, and a panoramic view of the road that only a Co could deliver. Under its tilting cab, the 1978 K100 could be equipped with powerhouse diesel engines of the era, such as the Cummins Big Cam, Detroit Diesel 8V92, or Caterpillar 3406, delivering anywhere from 300 to 450 horsepower. These engines, paired with Fuller Road Ranger transmissions, gave the K100 the muscle and gearing flexibility to haul heavy freight over mountains, plains, and every challenge in between. The chassis and suspension were built for endurance, keeping fleets and owner-operators on the road with minimal downtime. Over the years, the K100 line received updates in interior design, CAB structure, and aerodynamic enhancements, eventually leading to the K100E variant introduced in the late 1980s, while Cabover faded from the U.S. market in favor of conventional trucks. With longer hoods and smoother rides, the K100's reputation endured among enthusiasts and collectors. Today, a well-maintained or restored 1978 Kenworth K100 can fetch between $40,000 and $75,000, depending on originality and condition. Compared to modern giants like the Kenworth T6, the K100 stands as a relic of a different trucking philosophy, one driven by regulation, efficiency, and a distinctive visual identity that still turns heads. If the sight of chrome, the sound of old-school diesel, and the feel of history on the open road ignite your passion, then climb aboard with us. Subscribe now, share your stories in the comments, and join our unstoppable convoy dedicated to keeping the legends of trucking alive.